Hey there, viewers. Welcome to Fitness Steps. We always want to live a long life. Healthy drinks are very important to live a long life. In today's video, let's look at 5 drinks that will help you to live longer. Number 1. Wheatgrass Juice. This juice is an excellent source of many different vitamins and minerals. It is especially high in vitamins A, C and E, as well as iron, magnesium, calcium, and amino acids. Thanks to its high antioxidant content, some test studies have found that wheatgrass may help kill cancer cells. Regular consumption of wheatgrass helps stimulate the thyroid gland, which boosts metabolism, provides more energy, and aids in weight loss. The cleansing properties of wheatgrass detoxify the blood, liver, and colon, and enhances strength of cells. Wheatgrass is widely available in powder, juice, and capsule form and can easily be found at health food shops and specialty grocery stores. Number 2. Turmeric Milk. Before bedtime, this is the most calming and restful drink you can have. Just take a cup of milk and put it to a boil. Add a pinch of Haldi and pinch of black pepper, some sugar, jaggery to taste. Drink it hot or warm, just before you sleep. Curcumin in turmeric contains anti-cancer properties. Regular turmeric use prevents cancer. Consuming turmeric milk can help inhibit the growth of cancer tumor cells. For cancer patients, it can help reduce the side effects of treatments like chemotherapy or radiotherapy. Turmeric has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties which work on acne, scars, and spots for a healthy and glowing skin. Turmeric milk helps maintain a healthy skin for a long time. Turmeric can boost immunity. You should definitely drink Haldi milk during every season change, to protect yourself from cough, cold and flu. Modern-day sleep cycles are unhealthy and many of us suffer from sleepless nights. A glass of warm turmeric milk with honey, ginger, and cinnamon, commonly called a turmeric latte, consumed before bed can help you get a good night's sleep. Number 3. Bitter gourd juice. There are many people who like bitter gourd juice, but a whole bunch of people hate it. In India, bitter gourd is a common vegetable. People here use bitter gourd in curry, vegetable, pickle, and juice. Bitter gourd can help reduce blood sugar and also helps in lowering the bad cholesterol level in the body. Bitter gourd contains a lot of vitamin A and C, which is great for your skin. When compared to this vegetable, lemons and oranges have a lot less vitamin C. This aids in the treatment of acne and provides you with clear, healthy skin. Bitter gourd fights viruses and bacteria and strengthens your immunity. It purifies your blood and cleans your liver. He can also fight skin infection. It promotes hair growth and support hair health. Number 4. Coconut water. Coconut water is available in every area of the world. Coconut water also comes in good brands. But the best way to enjoy this natural drink is when it is fresh. Coconut water contains several nutrients like potassium, including calcium, and magnesium. Other fruit juices can be high in added sugar, calories, and carbs. Coconut water, on the other hand, is lower in calories, making it a good option for those who like sweet beverages. Coconut water is 94% water and is fat-free and cholesterol-free, and it can hydrate your cells and make you feel refreshed. Number 5. Aloe Vera. Aloe vera juice has traditionally been a part of many Ayurvedic preparations, medicines, and tonics. It provides complete nourishment to the body. The juice comes loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants essential for our body. Daily consumption of aloe vera juice is believed to fight and cure a range of digestive disorders including poor digestion, constipation, acidity, and gas. Aloe vera juice consumption removes toxins from the body. Drinking it early in the morning will help you in many ways, right from curing digestive issues to cleaning the system. Aloe vera juice helps maintain smooth, radiant skin and promotes hair growth. Its topical application can relieve from burns and scars. It can be used as a moisturizing agent for the skin as well as the scalp. The health-benefiting properties of aloe vera juice also boosts the body's immunity. You can even try aloe vera juice mixing with tulsi, amla, giloy, and karela. Aloe vera juice and mouthwash may improve various dental and oral conditions. It's also very helpful in managing diabetes as it helps improve blood sugar and insulin levels. It also cuts bad cholesterol and prevent against heart diseases. If you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friend who might be interested health and fitness. And subscribe the channel.